Good morning, children. Let's do the HOTS. Today we will be doing HOTS. Okay, the first question in HOTS is, I feel sorry at the mentality of my countrymen, says the narrator. Why does the narrator feel sorry for it? Explain. Now, why does he feel sorry for the mentality of his countrymen? What is the mentality of the countrymen? First of all, let me know that. You have
Ma'am,
read in the chapter. What is the mentality? Yes?
Ma'am, to invite government in public
Government
function.
officials to invite government officials for private functions and to name the buildings, schools, buildings, hospitals
After a governor.
after a, yes, after a governor or a political personage.
Ma'am, can I say the answer?
Yes. Pavni, mute yourself. I think some sound is coming from your home. Yes, who wants to give the answer?
Ma'am, Pavni.
Okay, Pavni. Yes.
Ma'am, narrator is one of those who are even against inviting government officials to preside over public functions. And whenever he hear that a school, a hospital, or a widow's home has been named after a governor, then he feels sorry at the mentality of his
Of his
countryman.
countrymen. Yes. Okay. Is it clear to everyone? Now the life skill. Every deserving action. Yes? Anyone? Children, you should be 5 minutes before, not 5 minutes later. Otherwise, you miss the class. I have to wait, and that is why we are wasting so much time. Okay. Every deserving action should be rewarded. Likewise, every reward should be well deserved. Does the statement always hold true in real life? Substantiate, answer with example. Now you give the answer with example. Do you think every deserving action should be rewarded and likewise every reward should be well deserved? Do you think it is correct?
Yes, ma'am. Can I answer?
Yes, Akansha?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, exactly. This statement is true for real life. The doing of some good work should result in reward as a person who has
Ma'am, which chapter is going on?
10, chapter 10. Yes?
Ma'am, can I say?
Yes, Akansha, please continue.
Uh, Ma'am, although every deserving every deserving action should be rewarded for spread the good deed. For example, if someone found money on road and then returned to its original owner, the good deed should be rewarded as this will motivate them doing such things in future again and again. But
Yes,
reward should also be given deserving one.
yes, very good. Now, reward should always be given to deserving person. And if anyone has done anything which needs reward, he should be rewarded. So every deserving action should be rewarded. Why? To motivate him to do it again and again, so that he does that good thing again and again. If you don't motivate him, then if you don't reward him, then naturally that person will not do it later, next time. So every deserving action should be rewarded. Likewise, every reward should be well deserved. Now, if you are rewarded, you should be deserving. Then only you should be rewarded. Otherwise, that if you don't deserve a reward, you should not accept it also. One should listen to all, but take one's own decision guided by both intellect and conscience. Now, you know the meaning of conscience? कॉन्शियंस इज अंतरात्मा. आपके अंदर जो आवाज होती है, whether you are doing right or wrong, that is called conscience. Now it is saying one should listen to all. हमको सबकी सुननी चाहिए, मगर करना वही चाहिए जो मेरी अंतरात्मा बोलती है. Why? Because the intellect means your intelligence. Your intelligence and your conscience will always guide you on the right track. So, do you agree with this?
Ma'am, can I?
Yes.
Pavni?
Yes.
Can I?
Ma'am, if we will make our own decision, we should have trust on ourselves, because all gives a suggestion but not followed by everyone, and therefore just listen for ourselves.
Yes, you should listen to everyone. Listen to everyone's suggestion, but then use your intelligence, use your mind, that what you are doing is right or wrong, and your conscience will always guide you on the right track. That is for sure, that the conscience will guide you on the right track. Okay, value. Now, I could
Ma'am,
not gather the courage to tell them that I had done nothing. Now, who is saying this? Who is saying this? That I
Ma'am,
could not
Premchand.
gather the
Ma'am,
courage.
Premchand.
Premchand, when did he say this? In the end, when he was rewarded by, what was his friend's name?
Ma'am,
uh,
Baldev.
Huh?
Baldev Singh.
Ma'am, Baldev Singh.
Baldev, yes. When Baldev rewarded him for getting his son released, then he could not say that he has not done anything to deserve this reward. Now, why did he not say anything? Although he was such an honest person, then too he could not say that he had not done anything for his son. Why?
Ma'am, Premchand do not want to make a sad.
Because he thought that if he will say this, he will lose the trust of his friend. His friend had trusted him, and so he did not want to dishearten his friend, and that is why he had to accept the reward. Now, here, children, I could not gather the courage to tell them that I had done nothing. Should the narrator have accepted the credit for saving Baldev's son from the imprisonment, or should he have admitted openly that he had done nothing in this matter? Now, what do you think? I gave you one suggestion, that he had to accept it because he did not want to dishearten his friend. उसका दिल नहीं तोड़ना चाहता था प्रेमचंद कि अगर वो बता देता सच्चाई तो उसका फ्रेंड का विश्वास इस पे से उठ जाता. That is why he did not. What do you think? He should not have told, or should he have told? If you think he should have been honest, then you will say, no, he should have told him the exact thing. What do you think? Who will give me this answer?
Akansha.
Akansha, give the answer. Children, others also, please answer.
Ma'am, the narrator was surprised that to see that Baldev Singh gift, he could not gather the courage to refuse this gift. The narrator should have stated openly, and he had done nothing to save his son. It's not only the gift, but the heaviness of his heart would have left him devastated. He would have felt very low self-image, so it was better that accept this gift, not to refuse it.
Okay, you think that if it is better that he accepted the gift. Okay, anyone has any other answer? Ayushi? Ayushi Patel, do you want to
Ma'am,
give the
Pavni.
answer?
Ma'am, Pavni.
Pavni, okay,
Ma'am,
give the
Pavni.
answer.
Ma'am, the narrator was surprised to see Baldev with gifts, and he could not gather the courage to refuse him. The narrator should have admitted openly that he had done nothing to save his son. And it's not only for the gifts, but the heaviness in his heart would have left him devastated. And he would have felt very low self esteem. So it was better that there, and then only he should refuse to accept the gift.
Okay. So now the answer is clear. Now next one is, where the teacher's cane failed, my sympathetic approach yielded result. Now what is cane, children? Cane is a type of stick. Yes, it is a type of stick. Now you must have seen when you move from Saguna Mode towards Bailey Road, you will see the cane furniture on
Yes.
one side of the road, on the pavement, footpath. You will see cane furniture. Now, cane is very flexible kind of stick. It furnitures can be made from that. So now caning, earlier children used to be caned in school, but nowadays it is banned. No one can cane you. So this, where the teacher's cane failed, now teacher used to use stick. In case the child did not listen to the the teacher could beat him also with the cane. But now it is banned. You cannot do this. So just try to imagine that where the teacher's cane failed, my sympathetic approach yielded result. That means if the teacher had been harsh with the student, that did not give any result. But his sympathetic approach, that means Premchand's sympathetic approach towards the student, towards Baldev, yielded result, gave very good result. What result did it give? That he started being good, he became good in studies. That means he started following his lessons. So the teacher being strict could not do anything, but Munshi Premchand, out of love and care and whatever sympathetic approach he was taking, he improved Baldev Singh, and he soon became good in studies. Now, it is not common to see children being subjected to corporal punishment earlier. It was not uncommon, not uncommon. Do you think it is relevant in those times? Do you think it was relevant in those times? Should the children be beaten at that time? Now, here you are having a two example. The teacher's cane failed and sympathetic approach of Munshi Premchand yielded result. Yielded result means gave result. Now, two things you can see. Teacher's strictness could not give result. His sympathetic approach gave result. Now, what do you think? Should corporal punishment be? Corporal means beaten. Children should be beaten as punishment.
Can I?
Yes,
Can I
who wants to
say?
give the answer? Naveen, please give.
Yes, ma'am.
Naveen.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
I don't
No,
think
ma'am.
the
Can I say answer,
students
ma'am?
1 minute, please. I'm taking Naveen's name.
Yes,
Naveen
ma'am.
will give the answer. Yes.
No capital punishment is not justified because a crime
Not capital.
mostly
Children,
committed.
please don't confuse. Capital punishment is something very different. Corporal punishment.
Corporal
Yes.
punishment justified because a crime is mostly committed due to the one of different state of mind. We should try to motivate people and let them realize that the particular act is not proper so that their state of mind may be improved.
Yes, very good. Anyone else wants to give the answer?
Ma'am Pavni.
Yes, ma'am.
Pavni.
Ma'am Ayushi.
Pavni.
Ma'am,
Ma'am
I think it was
Please
relevant.
raise your
I think
hand.
it
Raise
was,
your hand. I'm looking at your names. Raise your hand if you want to give the answer. Yes, Pavni.
yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I think it was relevant in those times because it created respect for elders and teacher, and this made them obedient. But today kids have become more aggressive, and if they are beaten by the teacher, they become more and more aggressive and do wrong things which create a big matter. So I think corporal punishment are relevant those times, and now they are not.
Now, children, in this kind of answer where the opinion is asked, you can give both answers. Both will be treated as correct. Yes, because it is your opinion. They are asking you that you give. And this opinion you should give with reason. Why do you think it? You have to give the reason also. If your reason is justifiable, then it will be treated as correct. Okay, Akansha, you give the answer. Naveen, please mute yourself.
Okay, ma'am.
Sound is coming from your home. Yes, Akansha, give the answer.
I think the corporal punishment was relevant to those times because this create respect to the teachers, and the students will not do such wrong things. And now these days the students are becoming more doing have not in the students there are not having respect to the teachers, and as they are not finished.
Okay. Anyone with any other answer? Yes? Any other answer you are having? No. Now, do you think capital punishment is justified? Capital punishment, what do you mean by capital punishment? अभी आप लोग ने न्यूज में बहुत सुना है कुछ दिन पहले, that I think maybe a year ago, capital punishment was very much in news,
Can I
and
Tell
some
the
people
answer.
got the capital punishment. What do you mean by capital punishment? Yes? Who would like to give the answer?
Ma'am, what is capital?
That is what I'm asking you. What is capital punishment? I told you na, few days back, it was very much in news. Few months, I mean to say, that means a year ago. I want to see how much you read the newspaper. Yes? Capital punishment means death penalty. If you commit a crime and you get death sentence, that is called capital punishment. Now, do you think capital punishment is justified? Should you give capital punishment? Yes?
No, I don't think, ma'am, that capital punishment should be given.
Yes? Is
Ma'am,
it
because
justified?
too
Capital
much,
punishment
and
is
if any
justified.
person does anything very much, it should be a little
Children, which
a
capital
little.
punishment am I talking about a year back?
Ma'am,
Nirbhaya case. Nirbhaya case.
yes, ma'am.
They got capital punishment, death penalty. They were hanged to
Yes,
death.
ma'am.
Yes, that. Do you think it is correct?
Yes, it is correct.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, it is correct.
Yes, Shreyash, what do you want to say? Ashish, do you think it's correct?
Ma'am, I think
Yes, ma'am.
I think capital punishment is not justified because it leads to death, and the imprisoner feels only short time.
Hmm? Anyway, we can have a debate over this later on
Ma'am,
once we complete the
ma'am,
chapter.
I think capital punishment is not justified because it gives pain only for a short time, but life prisoner
Life
is better
imprisonment. If
for
you
a
get life
criminal.
imprisonment, that is, yes,
It is
whole
better
life you
because
will
it gives a whole
repent.
life pain.
Yes, okay. Now, next one is writing section. Baldev is extremely rejoiced at the help rendered by his old friend. On behalf of Baldev, prepare a thanksgiving card for the narrator, thanking him for his help. Now, thanksgiving card does not mean that you will make a card and write thank you. No, you have to write a paragraph giving thanks for what he has done. Now, can you tell me what you can write in Thanksgiving? What Baldev can write to his friend? Yes?
Ma'am, he will write that he is too thankful that he helped him. He can't forget this help, and he wants to give the gifts every month, and he would his friend forever.
Yes?
He will help him in the when he is in the trouble.
You can start with a friend in need is a friend indeed. Yes? That means in need, in times of need, if anyone helps you, that is your friend indeed. Yes? So, You can thank him. Now, Baldev is completely in dark that his friend has not helped him at all. Now, he is not knowing that his friend has helped him. So, you have to write, Ashish, I think someone is talking in your home. It can be heard. Mute yourself. Yes. So,
Ma'am,
Baldev is not knowing that his friend has not helped him. And so he is writing a Thanksgiving card to his friend. Now, how will he write? What will he write? Yes, who wants to give? Akansha?
accept. Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Ma'am, dear friend, accept my thanks for you
for you name.
that
Accept my
you have done
thanks.
in my son's.
Yes,
What you have done to save my son's life.
yes,
I
very
know
good.
it's a very small word, but uh, you for some, ma'am, I think that thanks for such type of help
Yes, I'm really obliged that you have saved my
life.
son's life. Yes.
Your loving babe.
Now, this is too short. You have to write a little more that how you are thankful to your friend. A little more. Yes. Anyone else?
वो prepared नहीं है.
Yes, yes. Bag दे दो.
Ma'am Pavni,
Hmm?
Ma'am Pavni, can I say?
Yes, yes, give.
Ma'am, dear friend, I am extremely obliged for the timely help rendered by you to me and to my family.
Yes.
The person like you keeps the faith in the society, and
Hmm.
that still gentleman exists on the earth. I will be grateful if you come along with your family to our house during next vacation, and thank you once again for your kind gesture. Yours
Yes.
lovingly, friend Baldev.
Okay. Anyone else having any other? Hmm? Now, how you have to be? You have to say that you are indebted. I'm indebted to you all my life for the deed which you have done. That is for the help which you have rendered to me in times of need. Yes. Okay. Next question is. You are the narrator. You are overcome with a feeling of guilt after Baldev and his son leave your house. Write a letter to Baldev expressing your guilt over accepting the honor that you did not deserve. Now, what will you write? You are the narrator. You are overcome with a feeling of guilt after Baldev and his son leave your house. Now, your Baldev and his son has gone, and now you are feeling guilty, and you sit down and write a letter accepting your guilt that you have accepted the honor that you did not deserve.
Ma'am,
Now,
can
what
I?
will you write? Here,
Ma'am,
children, you
first,
will accept that you had done nothing for your friend's son. And yes, who wants to say?
ma'am, Akansha.
Akanksha, okay, give.
Ma'am, firstly we write address, then date,
Yes,
and then dear Baldev. I
yes,
was overwhelmed to see that your son was released by the police because he was innocent.
yes.
He deserved, but I would like to
Ap-
apologize that I have not done
apologize.
any
Yes,
that I have not done anything in your favor, and
It was due. Why was he released, children?
Because he was innocent.
Yes, he was released because he was innocent. I did not do anything for your son. It was just because he was innocent that he was released. Yes,
Ma'am,
anything else?
I did not like to taking any obligation, so I did not visit the district.
Yes,
Has been released because he did not commit any crime. Hence, he was not punished. And I am really feeling guilty for accepting the reward which didn't deserve. I would like to send back to these gifts that you have brought for me. With love, your Premchand.
yes. Now, anyone else wants to say anything? Anything else? Okay. Children, I'll send the question answer of this also to you. And regarding the test, pre-board test, again, I would like to tell you that first question will be MCQ, 10 MCQ will be there. Then second question will be 2 marks question, that is short answer. And third one will be long answer, that is 5 marks each. And children, you will be appearing for the test through Snap Homework. You know how to appear?
Ma'am, can
Yes.
I try the answer of writing skill section, question number B?
Okay, try.
First, we write address, date, and dear Baldev. It is with a great sense of shame that I write this letter to make a confession clear. The honor that you gave me for getting your son acquitted was an undeserved one. When you brought all those gifts to express your gratitude, I should have told you about it, but I could not gather enough courage to tell you the truth. I must tell you that I didn't talk to the district officer and I have no role in the release of your son. The case was decided on his own merit. Instead of thanking me, express your thankfulness of God for showering justice on your son. Hope you will forgive me. Your friend Premchand.
Very good. Very good answer. Okay, so now I would like to tell you, children, we are running out of time. I would like to tell you that you will be